In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On from this developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and then select Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and check out all the other options for the future. When you're ready, it's time to set it up. To do that, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. And after accessing your shortcuts, edit them thanks to this pen at the bottom right corner. Now scroll all the way down to access Caffeine shortcut, hold it, and drag it to your currently used ones. You can place it wherever you want to. Then go back and click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!